Assalamu alaikum and good morning for everyone. Today lecture about the fundamentals of IP version 6. IP version 4 contains 4 octets with 32 bits length of IP version 4. Each octet separated by dot to the neighbors compared to version 6 which contains of 16 octets with length 128 bits of V6 address. Each 16 bits of V6 separated by column from its neighbor 16 bit. V4 developed in 1981 compared to the development of V6 in 1999 with address size 32 bit compared to 128-bit number. The address format of V6 or V4 it is a dotted decimal notation compared to hexadecimal notation of V6. V4 prefix notation depends on the classes. Here the example is /24, which means the network part of class C, compared to /48 prefix notation of V6. The number of addresses in version 4 is equal to 2 to the power 32 bits compared to 2 to the power 128 of V6. The general representation of V6 can be shown here by axes. Each X represents 16 bits. The left side of axes, the three axes on the left, represent the prefix, followed by the subnet ID, followed by interface ID. For example, this is a unicast address started by 2000-001 and ended by the interface ID. This address composes 3 parts. The left 32 bits represent the site prefix, then 16 bits of subnet ID, then 64 bits for interface ID. Another view for the IPv6 representation. Here IPv6 shows 2 halves. The left half represents 64 bits for network, including the global prefix with subnet bits. The global prefix or routable part with the site represent 48 bits. Then the subnet size, which is 16 bits, then 64 bits for interface. IPv6 address scope defines the region where an address can be defined as a unique identifier or interface. These scopes or regions are the link, the site network, the global network corresponding to link local, unique local address, and the global address. Here, the ellipse, the inner one, which is link local, corresponds to the LAN address of V4. Unique local corresponds to site range addresses of V6, and the global address or a unicast global address that is routable addresses. IPv6 classified in three types. The major types are unicast, multicast, and anycast. Our focus will be on unicast addressing and link local address, which is start by FE80 here, and the global unicast address started by 2001/16 to 3FFE/16 as examples, as aggregation global unicast address. Thank you for this part of video.